All right, so here we are on a brand new Facebook ads account. I wanted to create one completely from scratch so I could show you how to set up this Facebook pixel even if you're completely brand new. Okay, so there's two ways to do this, and the first way is to come up here to the ads manager, little hamburger menu right here. You just click on this and then you come down to all tools, and then over here you can see under measure and report it's got the pixels. Okay, so you just click on that, or you can come over here, and this says search up here. Come up here to the search bar, just type in pixels, P-I-X-E-L-S, and then we click on this and it'll do the same thing. It'll open up this new tab. Looks like it just opened this up right here, and this is where we'll be able to go through and create our Facebook pixel. Okay, now you can see over here it's got our ad account, data sources, and create a Facebook pixel. So track website activities like we've talked about before, improve your return on advertising, because then we're able to go through and create what are called lookalike audiences, create custom audiences, all this cool stuff with the Facebook pixel, and then reach new and then even existing customers. So all we got to do is just click on create a pixel. Very easy. And then it says connect website activity using the pixel. So the pixel name, you just put in whatever pixel name, demo pixel, right? And the key thing is there's usually only one Facebook pixel per Facebook ad account. Okay, so you only need to do this once, and then you use that same pixel code for all your websites. It's going to be the same pixel that's going to automatically be populated on all your Facebook posts, on your Facebook business page, Facebook lead forms, and everything else. Okay, and then we can just come over here. You can throw in your website right there, but just for this example, I'm just going to go hit continue. And this just walks us through this whole process super easy. Okay, now if you have a little bit of experience with just like knowing where to find like the header of your website, then what I highly recommend doing, just because it literally is super easy. Pretty much every website out there makes this super easy nowadays, whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, Wix, whatever it is. You just manually add the pixel code yourself. Okay, so you just click on this, and you see right here, number one, install base code on the website. So it says copy and paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section of your site, just above the head tag. So install the base code on every page of your website. Now this is key, guys. We want this on every page of our website, not just like on one single page on a blog or something like that. We want every page on our website, contact us form, about us form, any landing page that you might have. If you have sales funnels, you want it on every single page of the sales funnel, every blog post. And there's really easy ways to do this, and all we do is we just copy the code to clipboard. So we just click on that, and I know this looks like a whole mess, and it's like I don't even know what this means. I don't know what it means either. Okay, but you just copy that code to clipboard, and then any website service you're using, there should be a head tag, okay, or a place where you can go paste this into the head tag. All right, now if you don't know what that is and you don't know how to find that, whatever software or service you use, just reach out to their support and say, hey, I'm looking to add my Facebook pixel to the header section, and they'll be like, okay, yeah, no problem. They'll be able to direct you exactly how to do that. Okay, and then we just hit continue right here, and then for this one we're just gonna hit cancel right there. Okay, so now another way, so we got that pixel code. We can go through and copy that in the header section of our website, all of our sales funnels, our blog posts, everything that we've got. Or there's some different platforms that instead of using all that code, they use what's called a Facebook pixel ID. And that pixel ID you can see is right here.